The NRI director says members of parliament and others in authority must read this issue paper, discuss further, analyze the implications and to consider improvements to our governance system in Papua New Guinea.
One of the organic law.
He says it is not for us to read and observe, but to start a national conversation.
Whatever we do, we have one main objective as a government or as a people or as private sector, and that is to improve the welfare of our people.
Dr. Osbone says the changes to the organic law on provincial governments in 1996 and the abolishment of a separately elected provincial government system now had the members of national parliament also holding office as representatives to the provincial government legislative and executive government policy body. He stressed that the important role of the member of parliament is to bring services to the people, but this role is not performed effectively by the members of the parliament in PNG.
If the members of parliament are in the national parliament, they're also in the provincial, and they're also at the DDA, who will provide oversight? That's the question. All members of parliament are now performing the roles of the executive government in the context that they're in the three levels of government. In doing so, as pointed out by Mr. Kabuni, both functions are not being done well.
He also points out that the client-patron relationship that is emerging made worse by weak electoral systems that we now have are a major concern. It may mean that services may be available to those who voted for the member of parliament, but others who may not have voted are left out of the service delivery line.
We understand that there is also pressure to increase sectoral funds available under the National Development Budget programs to DDAs. So as Michael has mentioned earlier, there needs to be a balance in terms of what the political decisions are made and what needs to be done administratively.
Esther Gane, National EMTV News.